Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord update loop. So first, what you want to do is click on Windows R. And type in percentage app data percentage. Click on that and click on the app data right here on top. So click on this, so it will redirect here. Then click on local. Go to find Discord right here. Click on Discord. Make sure to change the name this exe file. So like put a 1 to it, 1, and try opening it up again. But if it doesn't work, I suggest that you turn it back up to the normal one, which is just the update. Given the fact that it does not work, since there is another fix. So the other fix is go back here on this folder, click on the app right here, app data version number. If you have multiple folders with the app version number, I suggest that you pick or choose the one that has the oldest version number. So basically the lower version number. So click on that and find the Discord exe right there and open Discord from that exe. Open Discord from that. So my Discord opened up, but for you it should fix the problem of the Discord loop. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.